Good morning, students. I will teach today three important sums for pre-annual unit, half yearly exam. Okay, three important sums. Okay, all of your portion already completed. Unit test portion, Miss is doing. Miss has already completed. I also completed. Now today I am discussing three important sum from trigonometric identities, quadratic equation, and recurring deposit. Okay. Now, suppose see, look at here. Prove that question number 1. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A equal to sec A minus tan A. You have to do LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Your choice, anyone you can do, no problem with that. Okay. Now write first left hand side writing cos A by 1 plus sin A. So write cos A 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. You can write no. Both sides, look at here. 1 plus sign is given. 1 plus sin A. So you have to multiply it by both sides by 1 minus sin A. Okay. Now write cos A 1 minus sin A. So you know A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. So write 1 minus sin square A. So write cos A into 1 minus sin A by cos square A. 1 cos A cancel, no? So write 1 minus sin A by cos A. So it can be written as 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. Okay. So write sec A minus tan A. Look at here. Sec A minus tan A. This is RHS is coming. So it is proved that left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Right. Now, question number 2. Right. Solve. Question number 2. Solve. Root x by x minus 3 plus x minus 3 by x equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to squaring both sides or don't do like that. Most of the students are doing like that. See, the squaring both sides, so they are doing x by x minus 3 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square equal to 25 by 4. It is completely wrong. Don't do. They have forgot already twice AB. Okay, don't do like that. If you do like that, so a square plus b square plus twice ab. Understood? Plus twice ab. Otherwise, just you have to do late. Wait, I am showing. Don't do like that. So write root under, see, x by x minus 3 equal to a. Then see a plus 1 by a equal to 5 by 2. So write a square plus 1 by a equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So 2a square plus 2 equal to 5a. So 2a square minus 5a plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now factor do 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2 equal to 0. Then 2a common, a minus 2 minus 1 common, a minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then a minus 2 into 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Then a equal to 2 and a equal to half. Okay. Now you put the value root under x by x minus 3 equal to 2. Now squaring both sides, x by x minus 3 equal to 4. Then 4x minus 12 equal to x. So write 3x equal to 12, x equal to 4. Okay, and again you put here a equal to half. Okay, a equal to half you put, then you get another value. So right, root x by x minus 3 equal to half, then x by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 4. So 4x equal to x minus 3, 3x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 1. Okay, the solution said x equal to 4 or minus 1 is the answer. Right. Okay. Now right, I am showing from on recurring deposit sums. Okay, recurring deposit sum. Here, Mohan is a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per interest per annum interest. If we get rupees 1200 as interest, find monthly installment and maturity value. Here is given, interest is given. Okay, so write question number 3, write interest rupees 1200. Monthly installment is not given, so write let monthly installment rupees P, suppose rupees P. Okay, and rate of interest is given, rate 6% per annum, and time given 2 years. Yes, 2 years means 24 months. All of you, and recurrent deposit formula all of you know. Okay. The formula is that interest equal to P n into n plus 1 by 2 r by 100 into 1 by 12. Okay, like first. So interest, P, first you have to write formula. Keep in mind, first you have to write formula first. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2 r by 100 1 by 12. So write P n 24 into 25 6%. Okay, 2 into 100 into 12. This is given 1200. So find P. Okay, so write P equal to, can write 1200 2 into 100 into 12 by 24 into 25 into 6. Okay, 25 4 4 6 6 2 200. Okay, 2 3 3 4. So 200 into 4, that is 800. So this is 800 is principal monthly installment, and maturity value all of you know the formula. So MV, right, PN 800 into 24 months plus interest. Okay, 1200. Repeat, right, 192 1200, right, 00. Repeat this one, 20,400. Understood? Okay. Now next one. next one. Right, cosec theta minus sin theta. Next one, cosec theta 4, no, yes. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to m, and sec theta minus cos theta equal to n. Okay. Prove that m square whole 2/3 plus n square whole 2/3 equal to 1. This is given cosec theta minus sin theta equal to n, sec theta minus cos theta equal to n. Prove that m square n whole 2/3 plus mn square 2/3 equal to 1. First write, look at here. Cosec all of in 1 by sin, no? Yes. So write m equal to 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. So you can write here 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Okay. So write cos square theta by sin theta. M square is there. So wait. Similar n find out. N equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Okay. So 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. So it will be sin square theta by cos theta. Okay. Now write m square n whole 2/3. First find out n square n whole 2/3. So m is there here. Cos square n is cos to the power 4 now theta by wait yes by sin square theta into n is there sin square theta by cos theta whole 2/3. Sin cancel now. Cos theta cos 4 theta will be cos cube theta. Okay. Cos cube theta whole 2 by 3. So it will be, we are getting cos square theta. Okay. Similarly, find out mn square. See, mn square whole 2/3. Just we put m means this one cos square theta by sin theta into n square. So n square is there here sin to the power 4 theta by cos square theta whole 2/3. So right, cos square cos cancel. Sin cube theta whole will be sin square theta. This is sin square, this is cos square theta. Add. So sin square cos square 1. So right, left hand side equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now write okay. Next one. Okay. Now see 5x square solve. 5 minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0 up to suppose 2 decimal place or 3 decimal places like that. So first you write no, this is a equal to 5, first you write, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4 you write. A 5, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4. So x equal to, all of you know, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's put 3 plus minus b square is 9, 4ac, a means 5c means 4 minus 4, okay, by 2a, 2 into 5. So write 3 plus minus 89, this is 89, both minus and plus, okay, by 10. So if the value of x will get x equal to 3 plus root 89 by 10, and another is 3 minus root 89 by 10. Now with the help of, no, calculator is not allowed. During the exam time, don't use calculator. Okay, and log table book, otherwise I am showing very shortcut method is there. Okay, direct you can do, direct, see I am showing one method is there, okay, mind. Suppose root 89, root 87, root 82 like that, root 72 I am showing, see look at here, how to solve without calculator or without log table book. In board exam you will get log table book, okay, without log table book or without calculator how to do. See, root 89 given to first. So nearest perfect square number will be 81, no? So you can write 81 plus 8. Understood? Achha, 81 whose square? 9 square 81, no? So 9 right. Understood? Plus whatever left, this is left, 8 right, 8 by 1, 2 compulsory right, 2 into whatever is here, 9, right, 9 multiply. Now 2, 4, so 9 plus, okay, 4 by 9, 4 by 9 you know to divide 9 point, okay, 0, 36, okay, 4, 0, 9, 4, 36 like that. So yeah, 0.44. So 9.44. This one. Understood? 9.44. You have to see the calculator. This answer will come. 9.44. So here 3 plus 9.44 by 10, and here to 3 minus 9.44 by 12. This part will be 12.44 by 10. So 1.24. 2 decimal place. So 244 is there. So write only 1.24. If less than half unit, you add. Understood? Then you know very well this. Okay. Suppose I am showing on something. Look at here. So again I am showing. See, suppose x square minus 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. See, x square minus 3x minus 0, no? So x equal to minus b, 3 plus minus b square 9 minus 4, A means 1, C means minus 9, okay, by 1, that is 3 plus minus 45, okay. Now 45, see, root 45, so you can write here 36 plus 9, no? Or 49 minus 4 you can write it. Any equal, no problem, answer will come. Okay, what I am saying, see, 36 plus 9, 32 square, 6 square, so write 6 plus 9 is the right 9. 1 2 compulsory multiply here, 2, this is by and 6 you write 6. Understood? Root for good square number, suppose this is 6, 6 square 36, and this is left, you put here 9, divide by 1 to each compulsory, okay, 1 to each compulsory, and 6, this is there, this put here 6, now 3, 2, 3, 3, 9. So 6 plus 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 already you know, plus 0.75. Okay. So 6.75. This is the answer. Okay. Understood? 6, 3. 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means 0.75. So 6.75. Good for it. Understood? Right. Next one. Again. Suppose px square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Find the value of p so that the equation has equal root. The equation has equal root. Can you show me? For equal condition for equal roots, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac greater than 0 to distinct real root equal to 0, then equal root, less than 0, no real root. Understood? No real root, keep in mind. Greater than 0 to distinct real root, less than 0, no real, equal to 0, then equal, keep in mind. So right here, like that, right here, a equal to p, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 3. So right, for equal root, for equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You have right. This is minus 4 whole square. 4a means p, c means 3 equal to 0. So 16 minus 12, p equal to 0. So p equal to 16 by 12. Okay, 16 by 12. 4 by 3. This is that. 4 by 3. Okay. Now I am showing one extra sounds. Okay, so solve the equation, right? Again, suppose x minus 3, x minus 4, 34 by 33 square. Find the value of x. Solve. How to solve? Okay. See. We can write here 33 square into x minus 3, x minus 4 equal to 34. Okay. So write 33 square x minus 3, x minus 4 minus 34 equal to 0. Now write 33 square x minus 3, x minus 4 minus, this you can write 33 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. 33. Okay. Now 33 consider suppose A. You have to consider 33. So 33 write A. Then it will be C. A square. Right. See, x minus 3, x minus 4 into a square minus a minus 1 equal to 0. Now, see, now factorize. So right, x minus 3 into x minus 4 is square minus, I am writing x minus 3 minus x minus 4 of a minus 1 equal to the right. If you substitute this minus 1 will come, see, this minus this, x minus 3 minus x plus 4, 1 no? Yes. Now multiply x minus 3 or imply sign all of you, x minus 4 is square minus x minus 3 of a plus x minus 4 of a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now put here x minus 3 and a common, so remaining part x minus 4 into a minus 1 plus 1 here right, x minus 4 into a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now see, both are same now. Okay. Now okay, so right. So x minus 4a minus 1 into x minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. So write x minus 4 a minus 1 equal to 0 you can write. Then x minus 4 of a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 by x minus 4. Again here a equal to minus 1 by x minus 3. A 33 is there no? Yes. Now write a 33 I am showing no? Yes. So write a 33. So 33 equal to 1 by x minus 4. So you can x minus 4 can write 1 by 33. So x equal to 4 plus 1 by 33. So 4 and 1 by 33. 1 and 7. Again write here 33 equal to minus x minus 3. Okay. So x minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 33. So x equal to 3 minus 1 by 33. So this will be 33, 99, 98 by 33. So the value of x is on this and another is 4 and 1 by 33. Okay. Understood or not? All of you understood? Yes. And this one again I am showing one another method also there. Okay, keep in mind I am showing another method also. All of you under this method? Again, I am saying one method. Look at here. Very interesting sum. See, I'm saying this sum. X minus 3, x minus 4, 34 by 33 square. I am saying alternate process, okay? See, right. X minus 3, this is x minus 3 minus 1 today. Minus 4 is there. So x minus 3 minus 1. So this right, 33 plus 1 by 33 square. So write this method. This is a multiply x minus 3 whole square minus x minus 3. This by this means 1 by 33 plus 1 by 33 square. Okay. So write x minus 33 whole square minus 1 by 33 square minus x minus 3 minus this equal to 0. Now this one a square minus b square formula apply. A plus b minus b. So write x minus 3 whole square 33 into x minus 3 minus 1 by 33 minus common. So here is getting x minus 3 plus 1 by 33 equal to 0. Now you see both are same. Yes, same now. Take common. So x minus 3 plus 1 by 33 common. So remaining part is there. X minus 3 minus 1 by 33. Okay. Minus 1 equal to 0. So x, this part will be 0. X minus 33, 1 by 33 equal to 0. So x equal to 3 minus 1 by 33 equal to 98 by 33. Coming, and you put this will be 0. X minus 3 minus 1 by 33 minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 plus 1 by 33. That is 4 1 by 33. This is that. Any method you can do. Understood? Okay. Not today. Again next day I will take few important sums also I will discuss. Okay? This type of sum. Can I give an exam? I can give one sum. I will give only once out of 20 marks, 4 marks. 80 marks, 90% is very easy for all students. Keep in mind. But 10% so difficult sum I will give. Okay? Okay.